Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Hub. In this 2026 tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Windows 11 theme for colorblind users, no software required, and completely built into Windows. If you struggle with color visibility, contrast issues, or distinguishing icons and text, this simple setting can make Windows much easier and more comfortable to use. If you like Windows tips, accessibility guides, and practical tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, click on the Windows icon and open Settings. Now, on the left side, you will see the Accessibility option. Click on it. Next, click on the Color Filters option. Here, turn the color filters option on. From here, you can change the color filter according to your needs. It includes the most common color blindness options such as Deuteranopia, Protanopia, and Tritanopia, which are designed to improve color visibility for different types of color vision issues. You can also adjust the intensity and enable color boost to make colors more visible and comfortable for your eyes. Now scroll down. You will see the Themes option. Click on it. Then click on Contrast Themes. From here, you can try different high contrast theme options that make apps, text, and icons easier to see. Simply click on the Contrast Theme drop-down and select the option you prefer. Now click Apply. Windows will change the contrast immediately. If you don't like this theme, you can always try other options until you find the one that suits you best. Now, if you click on the Wi-Fi and sound button in the taskbar, you will see the night light option. You can turn it on. This feature is very helpful for your eyes, especially if you use your PC for long hours. It helps reduce blue light coming from your screen, which can reduce eye strain and help protect your eyes. If you right-click on the night light option and go to Settings, you can adjust the night light strength from here according to your comfort level. If this video helps you, make sure to like the video and click the subscribe button so you never miss the latest updates. Thanks for watching.